guys, welcome to my vlog. What we have here is the sliced shallots. Yan. Naghahanda ako ng simple salad lang. Yan, may kamatis tayo, mix together with the shallot. Yan. I know everyone like this kind of salad. And then I have this egg, scrambled egg. Piprito ko yun mamaya. Ayan. Ready na yung kamatis, shallots, and then I have the lettuce. Ayan. Slice ko lang ng maliliit yung lettuce. Then i-mix din natin together with the shallot and kamatis. And then prito tayo ng itlog, the scrambled egg. Init na yung mantika, so luluto na natin. So ayan, i-mix din ulit hanggang sa maluto yung scrambled egg. Simple scrambled egg without salt, but of course with oil. Yun, ayan, mix lang. After that, maluto, prepare up natin with sa ating salad. Ayan. Luto na yan siya. Konting turn lang. Ganyan ako pag nag-scrambled egg. Walang salt and everything. And then, there's my dilis also. Ayan. Ready na. Dilis, scrambled egg, and the mix tomato, shallots, and lettuce. Ayan. Here na. Kain tayo guys. This is my lunch for today. Ayan. Ganda ng salad. Pero dahil mas gusto ko yung i-mix pa yung dilis sa lettuce, kamatis, tsaka shallots. My dilis salad with kamatis, with shallots, and 3-color tomatoes. Tapos tatlong klase din to ng dilis. Yung maliliit, yung malalaki, tsaka yung white. Yan. Yan sila. Oh, tatlong klase. Ito yung maliit. Asan yung maliit? Ayan. Oh, ayan. See? Kain tayo. Good luck sa rice. Plus scrambled egg. Ayan, may sukang maanghang pa ako. Kain tayo guys. Kain tayo. O diba? Perfect combination. Kamatis, sibuyas, dilis, lettuce, and then the scrambled egg. Yun, kain tayo po. Sarap, kahit wala ng rice, okay na to sa akin. Ayan, kain tayo. And thank you guys for watching, and God bless everyone.